Hurricanes highlights, brought to you by ATB Financial.
Back to Bobick, left side, wrist shot, long save by Skinner, the rebound put in front, they score! Akash Baines puts Red Deer up 1-0.
Stay-at-home defenseman, he's got some points this year.
Had 20 goals last year. Here's another shot and a goal, Carson Sass. Wing for Bellerive. Bellerive in. Bellerive waits, has room, lets it go. He scores! The fur flies! Jordy Bellerive cuts the lead in half.
The fur flies, including from up here in the booth. My good friend Dustin Forbes, I asked you before the game, I said, will you be able to throw that monstrosity of a bear onto the ice?
Manel, Bellerive, quick shot, gets it back, trying to stuff, he scores! His second, a beauty by Bellerive. It's 2-2. Since has an assist tonight. Here's Wong moving in with a step. Wong to Estefan, he shoots, he scores! Oh, Giorgio continues to roll. Long wrist shot, fought off, great save, loose in front, and Skinner got down to block that. So Wong moving in, Wong back to Bellerive. Back to Wong, quickly across for Estefan. Now Bellerive in the right corner. Wong fires, he scores! Tyler Wong makes it 4-2 and they stay on the power play. Babenko, right dot, pass back, Estefan moving in, backdoor tip, loose in front, cleared to the line. Addison through traffic, and Peterson got a piece of that from Musil. Leaves for Poli, a shot, he scores! Musil might have tipped it. Rebels within one. Down finds Estefan through center, stick handles. At center, looks for the empty net, he scores! Giorgio's second, 5-3.